Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download and install applications on your SONY KD-43X TV. First of all, make sure that your TV is connected to the internet. To do that, press the settings button, go to all settings, then navigate to network and internet, and here check if some network has a connected status or check if you are connected to the Ethernet cable. After that, go back to the home menu, navigate to apps. Here you can find the list of apps that are installed on your TV, and if you want to add another one, you can either select one of the apps in these categories you see on your screen. You can also check these categories, or you can use the search field to search for apps and games. You can either use your on-screen keyboard to enter the name of the application, or you can use your voice assistant and just tell the voice assistant what you want to download. For example, downloader. And now
results for downloader.
It will find the apps that match your description. So just select an app that you want to install, click OK, and the app will be installed shortly. After that, it will be added to both your home screens and apps screens. And you can easily find this app either right here or, as I said, on the home screen. Then you can open it and start using it. Now, if you want to learn more advanced installation process techniques, you can check our video on how to install any application on your SONY TV. There I explain how to install applications not only from the pre-installed Play Store but also from the internet. You can also check the video on how to install and use downloader application on your SONY TV. And so that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.